Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, this is Fizzle Fade, and anybody that's played Wolfenstein 3D or Quake knows this effect. So why am I bringing this up? So, Trier actually implemented that into the Snowfall, and he did a very nice job actually. He took down the time it takes to actually spawn snow, and he made the coverage even better. And so this is using an algorithm he implemented to basically create the fizzle fade effect into the snow, and he gives more details down here about it. So what does this mean for the player? Well, you're going to see in a second actually. You can see that it is much more efficient. The coverage is way better. It doesn't try to check the existing snow. And it just works way better. When you go into a new area, it basically looks like it's snowing out all around you. So it's really cool. So a new thing implemented is hostile mobs will spawn during a snowstorm. So I think that was a nice feature to add. A nice test at least. And yeah, you can see there's a bunch of them following me because they're all spawning during the snow. So you guys saw my experience update with that weird hula thing. That was actually stage 1 of the new experience implementation. I tested it on servers and it wasn't working too well actually. They must have set the server step a little bit higher. So I overhauled it, and I also overhauled items to not fly away or jitter when they get close to you. So let me just show you that now. Alright, so you guys remember the stage 1 style where it was like kind of messed up and all the other stuff. So now it works very well. So one thing is, if there's a lot of XP, it will do a hybrid animation. You also cannot outrun it. And there's no player that can run this fast by default unless they're cheating. So you can see it works pretty well. So another big fix is I updated all the deprecated calls that I could find, and I haven't seen one since. So it should actually run a bit better. So another major one is the bow doesn't turn when you fire it. That creeper got me. Oh no, another one! Alright, as I was saying, another big update is that you no longer fire arrows out of your forehead. And you can actually see the animation now because it doesn't turn anymore. So I actually made a feature request for this. Moving the entity back to where it collided. So specifically for things like projectiles and arrows, you can see it slides right off of the node, which is super annoying. There's nothing I can do about that until the move result gives the position that it collided with an entity or a node. But overall, it works pretty well. And you can see these are all rotated differently because the arrow rotation, if you look very closely. So the arrow spins as it's moving through the air. So I think that's all I got for you guys right now. If you liked the video, why not leave a like? And if you want to see more updates for the Crafter game, why not subscribe? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.